and welcome to yet another SatNav Systems video. Today I'm sitting in a Volkswagen Golf 7. It's a 2017 model, so it's a 7.5, the facelifted model, which came to us with a navigation problem. This is the MIB 2.5, so it's a facelifted screen you can see here. And the customer came to us with a system just unresponsive. So as you can see, I've got the ignition on, and yeah, it's just not working, not reacting to anything. Whatever I do is just not even resetting it and so on. It doesn't do anything. And in the middle you can see that says navigation currently unavailable. So we're gonna put it under diagnostics and see what it comes up with. Right, we've got the system up and running again. We've done the full diagnostics. The problem was with the head unit motherboard. This is the head unit here that had a failure on the motherboard, which we repaired. Yeah, our system is fully back up and running. You've got the sound, you've got the navigation working, all your apps. Yeah, it's got App Connect, which is not connected, but you've got navigation, radio, media, phone, all of these. Well, you've got everything here as it should be, all fully working, back up and running. Also, the screen is now fully talking to this thing, so it's showing your compass and so on. Yeah, so we offer full comprehensive repair of these systems. You don't have to go through the expensive way of replacing it, which is usually done with the dealerships, because that's the only thing they can offer. We can save a lot of money by just having it repaired. It's quite common on these systems to go wrong. They will become unresponsive or like that, like this one today, but you could also get some issues that will lose some functions. Like certain functions will stop working, you won't have media or navigation and so on. You might lose sound, you're not going to have sounds, everything works and so on except the sound in the car. So all these different malfunctions, failures can be repaired, and we offer full comprehensive repair with 12 months warranty on everything we do. So there's always solutions to go for. We can also offer upgrades and so on, so it's always worth checking. So if you have any problems with your system, it's worth contacting us to find out more information, as we'll always be able to help with this. I'll put the links in the description how to contact us. You need your registration and the VIN number to check the car specification, and we'll advise further from there. Sometimes you can just send the unit to us, sometimes you have to come to us to have this diagnosed, and diagnostics are free of charge. So yeah, you don't lose anything by just trying and finding out more information with us. Again, thank you very much for watching this. This is another happy customer that have a full system fully working again, with navigation. And also on this one we've done a complimentary map update with speed cameras, so you can see them here. This is not factory, this is something we've added as well, so you get that with us as well. Yes, if you want more information, as I said, the links will be in the description, so just go in there, contact us, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you again. Bye bye.